If your legs feel cold, numb, heavy, or painful when you walk, that's often a warning sign of poor circulation, not just aging. Over time, inflammation and plaque buildup make arteries stiff and narrow. When that happens, less oxygen reaches your muscles and nerves, leading to cramps, tingling, and fatigue. The solution isn't forcing blood through harder, it's restoring flexibility inside your blood vessels and improving flow at the source. Here are 5 powerful foods that help. First, beets. They're rich in dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide tells arteries to relax and widen, improving blood flow and lowering pressure. A small serving of roasted beets or a glass of pure beet juice daily can help boost circulation, especially to the hands and feet. Second, garlic. When crushed, it releases allicin. This compound helps blood vessels expand, reduces inflammation, and prevents platelets from sticking together, allowing smoother blood flow. 1 or 2 fresh cloves a day is enough. Third, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids that make artery walls more flexible, lower triglycerides, and calm inflammation. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Fourth, dark berries such as blueberries and blackberries. Their antioxidants protect the artery lining and support nitric oxide levels, helping vessels stay open and responsive. A handful daily provides strong protection. Fifth, turmeric. It contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that supports artery health. Always pair it with a pinch of black pepper for better absorption. Along with these foods, simple habits amplify the results. Drink enough water so your blood stays fluid. Move every 30 to 45 minutes to activate your calf muscles, which help pump blood back to the heart. Elevate your legs for 15 to 20 minutes daily to reduce swelling. Practice slow, deep breathing morning and night to assist circulation. Poor circulation isn't something you must accept. With consistent nutrition and daily movement, blood flow, nerve function, and mobility can improve.